Hey everyone, today I will show you how to install Twitter Pixel on Shopify store. First of all, open your Shopify app store and search for Twitter. Scroll down and click Omega Twitter Pixel. Click Add App and install it. After installation, authorize the app and open it in your Shopify dashboard. Next, you will need to your Twitter Pixel ID, log into your Twitter ads account, go to Tools, Conversation Tracking, and copy the Pixel ID. Back in the Omega app, paste your Pixel ID into your designated field and hit save. Omega will now connect your Twitter Pixel with your Shopify store automatically. And that's it. Your Twitter pixel is now active and you are ready to track conversations from Twitter ads directly in Shopify. Thanks for watching.